Today I'm going to demonstrate how to download and play the game Twisty on a Windows PC. So your first step will be to open up your favorite web browser. I'm going to use Firefox. Once you have Firefox opened up, you're going to go to your address bar and you're going to type in HowTos.Guide /BlueStacks4. That's HowToGuide/BlueStacks4, and then hit the enter button. You'll be directed to the How-Tos page that has a link to the BlueStacks 4 download. You'll click on it. You'll be directed to the download page, and then on the download page you'll click the download button. This will start the download for the BlueStacks player. So you'll just click save file or whatever window pops up for your internet browser. After that, the download will start. It's a fairly large download, so it may take a bit of time. Once the download is complete, you can open up the executable. You may get a security warning prompt on your computer. If you do, just click the Run button. The BlueStacks executable will start extracting. The BlueStacks 4 window will then pop up on your computer, and what you can do at this point is just click the Install Now button. The install will check the system requirements on your PC. You'll then create the BlueStacks registry. After that, it'll extract files onto your PC. And then it will start installing the BlueStacks engine. The BlueStacks shortcuts will then be created and the installation will be complete. So once the installation is finished, you can just click on the Complete button. This will start up the BlueStacks 4 player. The first time the BlueStacks 4 player starts up, it may take a bit of time depending on your PC's performance. Once the BlueStacks 4 player is finished loading up, you'll be brought to the welcome screen. So at this point, you can just click the Let's Go button. And then you will have to sign in to a Google account. So if you don't have a Google account, you'll have to create one right now. But if you do, you'll just log in. Once you enter your username, you'll click the Next button. Then you'll be prompted to enter in your password. After you're done entering your password, you'll click the Next button again. And then you'll have to click the I agree button. You will then be brought to the home screen of the BlueStacks 4 player. Hopefully on your home screen you will have the Google Play Store in the top left hand corner. If you do not, you can look down here in the navigation bar and look for the Google Play Store icon. It may also be hidden in one of these folders down below. But we're going to assume you have it in the top left-hand corner. So what you're going to do is you're going to open the Google Play Store. The Google Play Store will then load up on your screen. And then what you will do is you'll click here and you will type in Twisty Road. You'll notice Twisty Road pop up at the top of the list. You can just click on it there. After that, you'll come to the Twisty Road page. You can just click the Install button. This will start the download for the Twisty Road game. Once the download is finished, it will start installing on your PC. And once it is finished installing, you'll get a notification in the top bar saying Twisty Road has been successfully installed. So at this point, what you can do is just click the Open button. And the Twisty Road application should start up on your PC. So that's about it. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And if this video has helped you install the Twisty Road game on a Windows PC, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks a lot. Have a good day.